Hi, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on airplane mode or flight mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The fastest way to turn it on is to swipe from the top, and our option is here, flight mode. Turn on, our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned off, and our flight mode is turned off again. To do it through options menu, we have to go to settings, then connections, and here we have flight mode toggle on, and now Wi-Fi Bluetooth is turned off, our flight mode is enabled, our airplane is here. Turn it off, just tick this box once, and it's back to be turned off. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.